Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Meta AI feature on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Meta recently announced that its artificial intelligence or AI assistant, Meta AI, will soon be available across its platform including WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and even the Meta AI portal. And on my previous video, I've shown you how to get this feature on your WhatsApp. So now, how to use this, how to use the AI on your WhatsApp. It's so simple. So first we have to open our WhatsApp and click on your AI assistant. Here you can ask anything with the Meta AI. Maybe for the example, you can choose in here. There's like feature if you confused, don't know what you want to ask, you can just choose like here for example, and your AI assistant will give you the answer here. So cool, right? You can ask him or maybe anything, maybe like this. So simple, right? So that is how to use Meta AI on your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.